how to block a text message conversation or a contact on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, in the list here, open up the text message that you want to block, or you can simply do it from this list here. So touch and hold on the conversation. At the top here, there is a block button, so tap on that, and then tap on yes to block the text message. You can also go into the text message in here, and then tap on the more button, then tap on block and report spam. I will not report the spam, just tap on block, then tap on yes, and that will basically block the contact. Okay, so we can do that. Can't close this one, just have to wait for that to finish. To unblock the text conversation, or to unblock the contact, you go back to your messages list, tap on your picture profile, and then we go down and tap on spam and block. In here you can delete this one right here. You can delete it by tapping on the block numbers. So just touch and hold, and then tap on the delete button to remove it from the block list, or you can simply tap on this right here and then tap on unblock, and that is how you can unblock it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.